Find the derivative of y equals g of x times f of x, then evaluate y prime of negative 2, where we have that information. Y here is a product of two functions, g of x times f of x, neither of which is known, but it is a product, and therefore the derivative will follow the product rule. Y prime, which can also be called dy dx, will be the product rule. Derivative of the first, we will call that g prime of x times the second, f of x left alone, plus the first left alone, g of x times the derivative of the second, we will call that f prime of x. The next thing we want to do is evaluate y prime of negative 2. And that means to plug negative 2 in for each of the x's, g prime of negative 2 times f of negative 2 plus g of negative 2 times f prime of negative 2. We have each of these evaluated at negative 2 right here, so we can use this information for the values of each. So y prime of negative 2 will be g prime of negative 2 is a negative 4. F of negative 2 is a 3/2 plus g of negative 2 is a 6, and f prime of negative 2 is a 2. We can think of that negative 4 as being over 1 to multiply those. Multiply the numerators, negative 12, multiply the denominators, 2, and then plus 6 times 2, which is a 12. Now negative 12 over 2 can reduce to a negative 6. We have a negative 6 plus 12, which comes out to a positive 6.